Hello everyone, Larry with Larry the Computer Guy here. We're an IT managed service provider in Commerce, Michigan. We specialize in cybersecurity and HIPAA compliance. Today's tip: if you installed it, you must update it. There are thousands of hackers who get up every morning with one goal in mind: to find a new vulnerability in a commonly installed software like Adobe, Flash, or QuickTime. That's why these companies frequently issue patches and updates for known security bugs, and once a known vulnerability is announced via a patch, hackers get to work like crazy trying to figure out how to use the vulnerability and access those users who are lazy about installing updates. That is why it's important to update installed software programs as soon as possible. Of course, if you're a client, we're monitoring your network for these updates and handling them. But for your home computers, smartphone, and other devices that may not be under our protection, probably need a little attention. Please click on the subscribe button located here. Please give us a thumbs up and leave your comments below. Please follow the government's recommendation on social gathering. Stay safe out there.